way to drifting today. Got old mate AJ here picking up a helmet because we both don't have helmets. So we got to my mate's house. Shout out to Hugo. But yeah, keen for it. First ever drift event for me. And look, tell you what guys, I've not actually got a video for the 100 cars, 100 days for today. So I'm gonna film a video on the spot today and then post it on the spot. Hopefully get 4 more or so that brings it to stage 75. Either way, enough of that. So big day today, hopping in drift cars, filming content. It's gonna be a good fun time. And Surely Media's car meet is on today. That's up at Parafield and a big cruise down south. So that'll be a good fun time. But yeah, stay tuned guys, we've got a big one coming.
Look, ex-Santan, man's got style and a rhythm like Gang them. 2 young brothers trying to eat off of music, but we used to eat off of pems and the sandbags, now we get money. Music.
Helmet acquired. Try not to sit in my bloody drink, eh? Yeah, it's not a fun surprise. Fun enough.
Brothers trying to eat off of music, but we used to eat off of pems and the sandbags, now we get money. Music money, money that can put your girlfriend in a handbag. White tee, Balenciagas, man bag, left winger with a long stick like a granddad. AJ Tizzy, from THE Lizzie, and I'm all out for the Lizzie. I don't wanna look like you, you're broken. I've been telling bro brothers move like Grizzy. Still brandy, but a hand ting fizzy. Probs being bin if a man weren't busy.
Is that OTR big enough? I don't reckon. Fucking cheeky donut stop. Oh, they're the boys. What's that, man? 9:30, 9:11. That's stunning, bro. 100%. You reckon it crashed? Well, that'll buff out. That'll buff out.
I'm a king when I'm out, can I spin brothers till the whole scene gets dizzy.
Walk in the rave, smile on my face, drink in my cup, hand in my jeans. Man talk tough, man look up, down, left, right.
All right, there's enough sussing the race cars. Time to hop in and check out the drift cars. Just made it. A couple of the amateurs I will leave it going right now. Got the helmet in hand, courtesy to Hugo. I've got the mic on here because it is a very loud environment right now, but I'm pretty excited. It's first ever drift event. There's some sick stuff around here. Got a Sora over there, bit of Japanese. Got a XF Falcon Ute, I believe. So yeah, it's a bunch of variety, but man, I'm keen for this. This is gonna be exciting. I got AJ here, of course, on the camera. He's been promoted to cameraman. But yeah, we're gonna both be hopping in and out of drift cars. It's gonna be a great fun time. Yeah, is that a 300ZX, bro? That's mad. Oh shit, that's hectic, man. You can hear the straight cut gears as well, bro. Full sequential, man, that's killer. All right, I gotta be on the lookout for some guys that are just sitting around because I gotta get some reviews in. Old mate Daniel's car there, the VZ Calais. He needs an SB sticker on that thing because he had one in his old car. And he needs one on this car, I reckon. But yeah, far out, here we are. That's a sick FG, is that a turbo? Yeah, it is. Well, boys, got a helmet in the end. It's a motocross one though. How are you? I'm not seeing an SB sticker on your car, bro, that's all. Dude, how you doing, Max?
Yeah, not bad, Max.
Yeah. I gotta sort that out, eh? How good's that little, like, crayon sketch? I reckon that looks hectic. So, boys, what's the motive? Where are we going?
Well, I'm looking around because I'm going to that.
Oh, you're going in that, the BMW? That's sick, eh? There you go. Dude, check out that BA Ute, man. That's sick. It's got like a Jap front bar as well. But yeah, we spoke to Jay from Low Standards about the rotary swapped VL Turbo. He said 45 minutes I can hop in with him. And yeah, that'll be an absolutely hectic thing to go along with. Thing's crazy. I don't know what's Paris. Currently I'm going around door-to-door sales trying to hop in someone's car, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, what is that thing? That Mitso. That is a rare looking thing. After walking around like an idiot for an hour, I finally found a car I could ride in. Alright, first car of the day. 550 horsepower S13. This thing is sick. Yo. That's not meant to happen. It's fully off the rim, eh? Oh no. Man, that was awesome though. It was Troy, wasn't it? Yeah. Thank you very much. Awesome, that was a great time.
And when Pickering tells you how was that, he's telling me he's on scruffy.
Oh man.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, far out.
He always gives me shit about it.
Does he?
Yeah.
Oh man. That was crazy. We've got to find a car for you now, man. All right, just finished my first lap, or a couple of laps in a drift car. Holy crap. It is a fun time, tell you that. Like, oh, there's no way to explain it. I've only ever been in a Excel Cup car, which is fun and all, but like, it's a completely different experience in a drift car. Man, I don't know if I'm going to be able to go back out. Hopefully in the VL, but we'll see how that goes. But far out, it's been pretty crazy. I tell you what, it is a lot of fun getting behind, or not getting behind, getting in the passenger drift car. Holy. All right, that's enough of the drifting. We are now heading to Shirley Media's car meet. Tell you what, mate, it is very, very, very cold, so I'm pretty happy we're leaving here. But make do with what happens. We've got 2 reviews done. Got the VL Turbo, which we swapped to a RB. Not RB, sorry. Rotary. Is it RB? Rotary swap, sorry. I'm after drifting, I'm like...
Cold's getting to you.
Cold's getting to that. So, Rotary swapped VL Turbo and that S13 I rode passenger in. So those are pretty cool cars, there's 2 of them. And you know, we're heading to the car meet. There's a cruise after the car meet as well. Should be a good time. On the way to the Shirley meet. Where are the vibes? The vibes here, or are we tired?
No, the vibes are here.
Vibes are here. I'm struggling, man. I got like a crap sleep last night, but you know what? We get food soon. I need food in me, man. That's what I need. But yeah, we're gonna get some Hungry Jacks up at Parafield. Is it just steamy or is that just the camera? I don't know. We've got the heater absolutely cranking right now because it is freezing. Like, look at that. Look outside. It is grim, but we're on the way. Vibes are on point. I'm trying at least, but yeah, it should be a good time. Yeah, how's that, man? Fuck. That's cooked. Foggy day. All right, we've made it in the Calais. Have a look at this. We've got an R8. Couple of other cool things. XR6 Turbo here. That's nice.
Oh my god, Shirley's car's here.
Surely, what do you know? That is stunning. How are you, mate? Good to see. Should have said g'day. How are you?
Yeah, good stuff. I was going to bring the clubby, but...
Like a G6. That's a plate that I want. I'm buying a G6E pretty soon. I wanted that license plate. Nah, this is pretty sick. We've got a R8 over here. Fucking Calais. Nah, this is a Caprice, not a Calais. This thing's nice. That's a beautiful paint. It's like a champagne almost. Cam U coming through. Man, this is a pretty good turnout. And there's a cruise. I don't know, we go to the cruise, you reckon? If I can hop in with someone else, AJ's not too keen on it.
I'm tired.
Yeah, fair enough. If I can hop in with someone else, but if not, probably won't happen. But man, it's a pretty sick stuff around it. Sick LS460. This thing's clean, man. Like, sitting on some sick wheels. It's been lowered a little bit. I like this a lot, eh? It's a good looking thing. Yeah, XR6 Turbo over here, another one of those. It's hectic. That interior is mad, dude. Forged carbon. Mate, that's sick. Got a couple of cool things here. Of course, the Shirley Skyline, repping the new wheels.
Come laugh in the R8 with me.
That's all you, bro. Got a VL, is that it? Nah, VP, yes. Guardo, of course. That's hectic, man. Oh, I like that, man. That is a stunning thing. I love the whites to it, man. You don't see enough white cars nowadays. Hey, like, if I had a supercar, I'd get it in a bright colour, but I do appreciate the white ones every now and then. Oh no. A lot of people out today though. I'm like struggling to put thoughts together. I'm super hungry, so I've got to sort some food out. But I want to give the meat a suss before I dip, because I don't want people to leave. How's that, man? That's it. There's some cool stuff out today. Right, where's my food?
There's a photo that I have to retake.
Where's my food?
Where's your food?
Bro, I'm literally second last. That's ridiculous. should have like ordered on the way here so it was ready as I arrived. That is the method. The food is here. I've just smashed my burger and my tenders. Now I've got my chips and a drink. Going back to get some photos. Bloody hell, mate, I needed that food more than probably anyone else in the world. Okay, I can't really say that. There's people that probably need food more than me. But I really wanted that food, so that did me a big favour. But we're on the way back to the car meet. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down and eat my fucking food, because that's what I'm here for. So, see you in a sec, guys. Alright, heading for the cruise in the G-Wagon. Thing's crazy.
33 one, the black one.
That's 34. Oh, behind us, 32.
The black one, yeah.
Yeah, 32 I reckon. Oh, mate. He's loving it. That's the problem with a V8 though, isn't it? Gotta bloody fill the thing up every 5 minutes. Fuck, what a weapon.
Well, I don't let my boss drive my car down that reverse.
Fuck, here we go. Cruise has ended. Right, come on, like me at this point.
How exciting!
Whee! Fuck, he's got it, eh? Oh, two cops piling in. It's too heavy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you want what I'm wearing, by the way, Talking Threads, use code SBG at checkout, save 10%. Thank you for watching though. Stay tuned for the next video and make sure you comment what you liked, what you didn't like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Stacy, S with the S from the SR Shoki. Dust man down with a mask like Kobe. Tell a boy coach, my man's telling me lots, but we are not G's, so don't watch my face.
Labra Grove is where I re-who. Man get burst up in the G-who. Came back